It's the morning, day 2 of isolation. Got Waiterson over here. And then making a little omelette. That's good, isn't it? Guys, there's a big ship outside. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's raining. It looked like it was raining from inside. Big ship. Day 2 of quarantine.
Almost like a million.
Oh, I look so good. It's 10:20 p.m. day 2 of quarantine, and we just decided to start making a waffle batter for the morning. My skin's really nice at the moment.
I need to melt it in here.
Yeah.
So how much?
No.
So we have this going on over here. We have this going on over here.
No! That's gonna be my whole fucking thing.
Jesus fucking Christ.
I thought just grab these up and just like
Look at this. Ooh, damn! Day 3 of the official lockdown. It's morning. Yeah!
Oh my god!
Yeah! Yeah! So it's the next morning, and we're making the waffles. Just come out pretty well, not gonna lie, look at that. Lekker! So this is my tutorial of how to make waffles. So I've got some canola oil here, and just brush that around the waffle iron. And what you need to do is get your batter, not butter. Put it in the waffle iron, batter, and not too much, because what happened in the first attempt was that I put too much in, and obviously it exploded everywhere. So I think maybe 2 spoons should be enough, like so. Yeah, maybe 2, or maybe a bit 2.5. Like that, and then oh no, you can by all means. I'm gonna close the waffle iron like so, and see what happens. Oh, beautiful carving.
Been practicing for this all my life.
Yeah, it's almost like you're a chef.
What?
All right, so it's still day 3 on lockdown. We shut down. Something else. And we got our pancakes. No, we didn't have pancakes. We had waffles. Waffles. How you waffle? And then we decided to go outside. Obviously, keeping a 2-meter distance at all times. Yeah. And we we actually don't know where we are because we don't know anything. So we can see a beach from the window. So we're going to try and do that, just for something to do. So we're allowed to go for a walk because it's exercise. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I know I said before, but you can exercise, go to the shop for essentials, and that is basically all you're allowed to do at the moment. So yeah, we haven't been actually outside in the real world since the lockdown, so it's going to be interesting to see what it's like out there. So this is how it looks outside. So there is actually quite a few people around when you walk down the road a little bit further, but it's so weird because there's people riding bikes and you're just walking around them, and then you're coming to meet people on the path. It's like, oh, who's gonna move the 2 meters away? But everyone's abiding by it, which is quite nice because I don't know what it's like everywhere else. I'm pretty sure in the UK at the moment people kind of are but kind of aren't, but it seems like everyone's doing it here, but it's just weird because this is where our walk's taken us. It's Hunanui Beach. Other weird details about COVID-19 and the lockdown. Not allowed on any gym equipment or park equipment for fear of spread of the disease. So just stopped at the garage petrol station because obviously everywhere else all the shops are closed apart from the big supermarkets, but we're just literally getting a drink, but you have to, it doesn't matter, whichever one, whatever you like.
Lucky day.
But you have to pay at the like night pay thing because you're not allowed in the shop. This is what's happening right now. We're paying over here and the guy's just going to get our stuff and then coming back. Man, it's actually like an apocalypse, like fuck. This is all restaurants closed. Pharmacy over there is like the only thing that's open. Everything else is shut. KFC shut. Macca's shut. Because we locked down. It's the entertainment.
Adam!
A pizza dough cooking class with Barry Hartwell. And we have this one. This is my one, just done. This is the first one, risen already. Third one. Yep, we have another one. It's Kana's one.
Ah, here we go.
Oh, yes. Oh, I'm
Just
ready to
getting
go. So the doughs are ready.
Just knead it a bit, get all the air bubbles out, and well, yeah, just roll it how you want it, technically, but if you want to.
Yeah.
We'll vacuum tomorrow.
We're just making convenient pizzas right now.
Oh no. Oh yes.
Okay, that should be enough.
Cutting the salami.
Lekker de salami?
Lekker!
Lekker.
Look at it, mate. Look at it.
Fancy stuffed crust and chicken.
Stuffed crust and chicken.
Maybe.
Yeah, half and then half again.
Yes. Alright, so day 4. My day has consisted of lying in bed watching Lip Service on Netflix till about 3 PM. Then I got up, had a shower, did some washing, edited a video, made a sandwich, and that's about it. And now we're watching Inbetweeners for like the 6 millionth time because, you know, why not? And then Kana is making us some nice Japanese dinner, which is going to be insane because it smells fucking insane. And that is about it. So maybe we're going to watch a film later and then go to bed again. So yeah, boredom's setting in already. It's day 4. Day 4. Kana in the kitchen. Looks so good. Is this the pork? It's the beef one?
It's a big one.
Ah, yeah. Oh, even better. Little production line going on here. Ooh. Oh.
Is it?
We got okonomiyaki.
Okonomiyaki.
Yeah, so it's like Japanese cabbage pancake.
Mmm. Yes. What is that?
Bonito flakes.
Which is what? What's that?
The fish bonito.
Ah.
Yeah,
Then dried
dried
and
tuna.
Yeah.
Potato jelly, is it? Is that what you said?
Yeah, konjaku.
Konnyaku.
Konjaku.